It will be in Hindi, so those who need translation, please take your translation.
ओम शांति। आज के
Today,
इस शुभ दिवस पर
today is the auspicious day,
बाबा की याद में
and on this auspicious day,
आप
in
सभी
Baba's
का ख्याल लेते हुए
remembrance, taking the love and remembrance
जब
of
बाबा के
all of
पास
you, when
बाबा ने बुलाया वतन में,
Baba invoked me,
बाबा
so
सभी बच्चों को बहुत बहुत
Baba
प्रेम भरी दृष्टि से
Baba was giving drishti, which was filled with so much love.
जो बच्चे सभी प्रेम में भरपूर बैठे
So
थे,
the children who are also immersed in
सबको
the
बाबा
love
ने
of Baba, and Baba was
बहुत
giving
बहुत प्रेम की
lots
दृष्टि
and
दी।
lots of love.
और यह बाबा का प्रेम,
And this is Baba's
बाबा
love
की
that
सर्व शक्तियों की देन है।
that
कुछ क्षणों
Baba
के बाद
fill us with so much of power through his love.
जब संगठित रूप से,
So after some time, then
व्यक्तिगत रूप से
when as we meet here in
बाबा
the
से सभी की
gatherings, and then when I go to
दृष्टि की
Baba
मुलाकात हुई,
like this, and then when Baba gives us drishti
फिर बाबा ने
and we
मेरी तरफ
exchange
ध्यान दिया,
drishti, and then Baba looked at me,
तो मैंने भी बाबा से
and then I said, Baba,
प्रेम की दृष्टि की लेन देन की।
and with so much love through the
फिर मैंने कहा बाबा,
drishti, and then I said, Baba,
अव्यक्ति परिवार
Baba, Avyakti Parivar.
सारे विश्व में जहाँ भी हैं,
So in the whole world, wherever
पर मैं भोग
anyone
पीस विलेज से
is,
लाई
but
हूँ।
I am bringing Bhog
और यहाँ पर जो
from
परिवार
Peace
का
Village,
संगठन है,
and the whole
सबकी तरफ
gathering
से
here is
बाबा तो सब जानते हैं,
offering the
फिर भी
Bhog
मैं
to
बाबा
you.
को
Baba knows everything, but still
समाचार
I
सुनाता हूँ।
just share this with Baba
बाबा
every
ने
time when I go taking
कहा
Bhog.
बाबा बहुत
And
प्रेम से
then Baba,
भोग लाई हूँ, बाबा ने
I told Baba, I brought this Bhog with so
दृष्टि
much
देते हुए
love. And then Baba gave
भोग
drishti
स्वीकार किया।
and accepted Bhog with so much love.
कुछ क्षणों के लिए
And then after that, for some time,
साइलेंस के बाद
uh,
बाबा ने कहा कि
there was silence for some
बाबा का
time.
हर
And then
बच्चा
Baba said that
चैतन्य
each and
दीपक है,
every child of Baba is like a living light,
सारे
living
विश्व में
light. And this light,
अंधेरा बढ़ रहा है और भी
because
बढ़ेगा,
the whole world is in darkness right now,
और
and
आप
the
सभी
darkness is
एक
increasing.
दीपक
And
बनकर
my children are like
प्रकाश
living
फैलाएं।
lights, and they are spreading the light in the whole
हम हर
world.
एक को, आप सभी
So
की ज्योत
Baba,
है,
Baba was seeing the
तो
light
दीपक तो
in
चैतन्य,
each child, the living
तो
light.
चैतन्य
So you
दीपक
are
की
all living
पहली
lights.
जिम्मेवारी खुद के
So what
प्रति
is the
होती है
first responsibility of living lights
कि
is the
ज्योति जगी रहे।
responsibility towards the self,
तो
that
बाबा ने
my
कहा ज्योति
light
जगी रहे
remains
उसके लिए
ignited all the time. And what should
जितना
we do
जितना
to keep my light ignited all
बाबा
the
की
time
शिक्षाओं
is
से
that
भरपूर रहेंगे,
the more we are full
तो
with
वो
Baba's
शिक्षाएं
knowledge,
घृत का काम
then
करेंगी,
what would that knowledge do?
और
It's work
घृत जब
like
डलता है
a oil,
तो
the
ज्योति जल
fuel.
जाती है।
And then when there is oil in the
इसलिए जितना ही
light
बाबा
remains
से प्यार है,
ignited. So the more
उतना
we
ही
love
तुम बच्चों को
Baba,
ईश्वरीय शिक्षाएं
So to the extent we love Baba, to the
उनसे
same
प्यार होना
extent
चाहिए
we love Baba's knowledge.
हर तरह से, चाहे मुरली के द्वारा
So
चाहे किसी भी
uh,
तरीके से,
from everywhere, through Murli or
बाबा की
however we are
शिक्षाएं,
receiving Baba's knowledge,
उससे
we
अपने
should
को
have
भरपूर
love
रखें।
for that. We should fill
कुछ क्षणों
ourselves
के
from
बाद
this
बाबा ने
with this
कहा
knowledge.
कि
And
बाबा
after
ने
that, Baba said that
तुम बच्चों के लिए
Baba
पहले परिवार बनाया,
Baba
पर
has
परिवार का कार्य
created
क्या था?
this family for
बाबा
you
ने यज्ञ की
children.
रचना की।
And why family? Because this family is the
बड़े-बड़े
yagya.
कुल के लोग होते हैं ना,
So like
तो
the
यज्ञ रचते हैं।
when there are like
तो हमारे
kings
भी
or the
विश्व
royal
कल्याण में
families, what they do,
हम
they
सबके लिए
also do
ये
yagyas
बेहद का
when
यज्ञ
they
रचा
want something. So this is also the unlimited
और
yagya
यज्ञ
that
में
Baba has created for us children.
स्वाहा भी करना है
And
और
in this
सकल भी करना है।
yagya, we also have to renounce few things and
और
also
स्वाहा
have
क्या
to
करना है?
use
बाबा
things
ने कहा
worthwhile
सर्फ ही
way.
नहीं
So what we have to renounce, what we have
कि
to
सोचो
sacrifice
अपने
in
अपने
this
विकार,
yagya.
अपनी कमजोरी
So it's not only
यज्ञ में
just my
स्वाहा करनी है,
vices, just my weaknesses we
परंतु
need to sacrifice
हर
in the
एक अपनी
yagya,
गुण
but
विशेषताएं
also we need to
यज्ञ में स्वाहा करो। मेरा
sacrifice our
मेरी विशेषताएं
specialities
बाबा
also,
ने
our
दी है।
qualities also. These are not mine. These are given by
दूसरा
Baba.
बाबा ने कहा
So
कि
Baba has given us this. And what
हर
else
प्रकार से
Baba said that
संकल्पों से,
every
वाणी से,
way,
कर्म
like
से
through your thoughts, through
सेवा
your
करते
words,
करते
through your actions,
सब कुछ
just
सफल करो।
do service and use
तन से
everything in
सेवा करो,
worthwhile way.
तन
Serve through
सफल
your
करो,
body,
मन से
then
करो, कर्म से करो।
serve through your mind, serve through every
तो इस तरह
action
से
you
बाबा ने कहा
perform. So that
स्वाहा
is
भी
what
करते
Baba
जाओ
was saying. So
और सफल
sacrifice
भी करते जाओ।
also and just
तो बाबा ने कहा
use
कि
everything
उससे
in worthwhile way
यज्ञ
also.
की जो प्राप्ति है
So with that, what will happen that this is yagya.
उससे सर्व,
And in the
न
yagya,
केवल एक
what
जन्म,
happened, it's not beneficial
पर
for
बच्चों के
one,
लिए तो जन्म जन्मांतर
but for everyone, the
सदा
whole
प्राप्ति,
world, forever.
निर्विघ्न स्थिति रहेगी।
And then your stage will be free from any obstacle.
कोई प्राप्ति होती है,
When you attain
फिर
something,
कोई घाटा पड़ जाता है, कुछ
and
ये
then
होता
if
है,
you
बच्चों के
uh,
लिए
don't
सदा
when you attain something, then
भरपूर
what
रहेंगे।
happens? So you
फिर
children
बाबा ने
will
कहा कि
always
देखो
remain full
बाबा के पास तो क्या
when you
खजाना है,
when you are in this yagya, you will remain full
वरदानों का
because
खजाना।
Baba's treasure is with you. What is the treasure of
बाबा
Baba? Is the treasure of
हर
blessings.
कदम पर जब आप आगे
So at
बढ़ते हो
every step,
तो
when we
बाबा
are
वरदान
moving
देते हैं।
forward, Baba gives us blessings.
और वरदान की निशानी क्या है
And what is the
कि आप
sign
दूसरा
of that
कदम
we are
बढ़ाते हो।
receiving blessing is that we are able to move
एक
forward. We
कदम
take
बढ़ाया,
next step.
बाबा
If
ने
we take
वरदान
one
दिया, तो
step,
आप फिर
then we
कदम ले
receive
पाते हो।
Baba's blessings and we are able to
कैसे
take
पता
next
चले
step.
मुझे वरदान मिल रहे हैं?
So how
कि
can
आप
we see
कदम
that
कदम आगे बढ़ते रहो।
we are receiving blessing is that we are moving a step forward every
मैंने कहा
time.
बाबा ये
So when we are moving forward, that means we are
अव्यक्ति परिवार
receiving blessings. So then I told Baba
पहले तो
that
ये
Avyakti
बहुत
Parivar.
साल पहले, बहुत सालों
So
पहले
it's been many years
तो
now.
8 माताएं थीं जो
So there were 8
आपस में
mothers. There were
मिलके मुरली
8
पढ़ती थी।
mothers, those who used to read
मेरे
Murli
को हर गुरुवार
in
को
the
फोन
gathering.
करती थी,
So every
तो
Thursday
मेरे
they
पास
used
कई
to
बार
call
इतना टाइम
me.
नहीं होता था,
So I
तो
didn't
मैं
have that
संदेश
much
सुनती
time.
रहती थी, पर
So at that time I used to
छोटे
give them
मोटे
some
प्रश्न होते थे।
message. So they had
तो
few
मैंने उनको क्या
questions
किया,
and I used to answer
उन्होंने कहा
them.
बहन से
And then I told them, okay,
और
now
प्रश्न जो
on
भी है
you,
आप
if
पूछो।
you have any question,
तो
just
ऐसे
connect
करते
with
करते
Bhumi
वो
Ben.
मुरली शुरू हुई।
And then that's
तो
how
मैं
we
उस समय
started
उनका
reading
क्या
Murli.
नाम,
I
बाबा
don't
मैंने
know
उनको
what was the
अव्यक्ति
name
परिवार
of
कहा।
that. It was not Avyakti Parivar
फिर धीरे
back
धीरे
then,
उनके युगल आने
but
लगे,
then
बढ़ता गया।
it started growing.
परंतु
Their Yugal
जो
started
ये अव्यक्ति
joining.
परिवार
And then how it got the name Avyakti Parivar is since when we offered bhog for Dadi Janki. That was the time we gave it the name Avyakti Parivar. So all the dadis
एडवांस पार्टी की बहुत
in
सुंदर
advance
दृश्य था।
party, so Baba showed the beautiful scene up there with all the
सभी
dadis.
दादी आप लोगों
So
का
all the dadis
आप
were
लोगों पे
there,
फूलों की वर्षा कर
and
रही।
dadis were showering flowers on all of you.
मैंने कहा दादी फूलों की
And
वर्षा
then
तो
I
हमें
asked
करनी चाहिए
Dadi, we
आप
should
लोगों पे।
shower these flowers on you, but you are showering on
दादियों
us.
ने कहा कि
And
नहीं,
then Dadi said, no,
एक एक बच्चा
each and every
न केवल
child,
व्यक्ति परिवार में
not only in Avyakti
बैठते
Parivar,
हैं, सुनते हैं,
they not
और
only
जब
sit,
इशारा सुनते हैं
but they also, when they
तो
receive
अपने में
these
परिवर्तन ले आते
signals,
हैं।
they are transforming themselves, they
रोज
are
बाबा ने
working
कहा
on
थोड़ा थोड़ा
themselves. So every day,
जो
little
सुनते हैं
by
अपने
little,
में
those who are listening every day, they are
उन्नति को पाते
transforming.
रहते हैं,
So they are
पाते रहते हैं।
progressing, they are moving
इसलिए
forward.
इन फूलों की वर्षा के
So that
पात्र
is
हैं।
why everyone is worthy
बहुत
of
अच्छा
receiving
लकी हैं
all these
कि आप सभी
flowers.
सभी परिवार वालों का
So
फूलों
this
से
is very
बरसाकर
good that
उनका उमंग
daddies
उत्साह बढ़ा रही हैं।
welcomed you all
ये
with
दृश्य जब
flowers,
पूरा
those
हुआ
showers of
फिर
flowers.
बाबा ने
So
कहा
I
कि
saw
देखो
that scene, and then what
इशारा
happened?
कौन समझता है।
Baba said, who are those who understand the
लौकिक में भी जो
signals?
सपूत बच्चे होते हैं
So in Lokik family also, those
बाप
who
की
are
इशारों पर
worthy
चलते हैं।
children, they listen and
इशारे
understand
से
the
कहेंगे
signals
इधर
of the
आओ बैठो,
parents.
कुछ
So if parents
इशारों
are
से
telling them to sit down,
तो
stand
ये
up, they
परिवार है।
understand the signals. So the same way, this is
इसमें
also the
बाबा के
family.
इशारों से चलते
And
हैं
in this family, we understand
और
the
आपस में भी
signal that we are
इतना
receiving
स्नेह
from
और सहयोग
Baba,
है
and we all have so much love amongst us,
जो
so
इशारों
much
से ही
cooperation that
सारा
we
कार्य
all
करते हैं।
understand the
बाबा
signals.
जो भी निमित्त बने हैं
And Baba, those who all are instruments.
दो नाम लेंगे तो दो रह भी जाएंगे।
So if I will take name of
सभी
two
निमित्त
people, then two will say that, oh, you didn't call
बहनों
out
को,
my
भाइयों
name,
को,
but all of
सबको
those
बहुत
who are
बहुत
instruments
दिल
here.
से मुबारक देते
So
हैं।
I congratulate each one of you.
बाबा ने कहा जितना ही
I congratulate
उमंग
all of
उत्साह से
you.
आप लोग कर
So
रहे
Baba
हैं,
said that all of you have
ये
such
सारे विश्व
zeal
में
and enthusiasm.
विश्व
So the
परिवार
more zeal and
बढ़ता ही जाएगा।
enthusiasm you have, the
तो
more
बाबा
you
की
are
मुबारक भी
growing,
है
progressing, moving
और बाबा
forward.
फिर
So Baba is
आप लोगों
congratulating
की
you,
वरदानों से
and
झोली भर
Baba
रहे हैं।
is filling your
और ऐसे
aprons with
करते हुए आज
blessings.
बाबा ने
And
सभी
that's
को
how Baba
बहुत
gave
बहुत दिल
lots
से
and lots of love
याद और प्यार दिया।
to
ओम
all of
शांति।
you. Lots of love, lots of remembrance to each and every child. Om Shanti.
है मधुबन तुमसे ओ बाबा मधुबन वाले, महक रहा है मधुबन तुमसे ओ बाबा मधुबन वाले।
इसलिए बाप दादा रोज के
This is why Bap Dada every day is Murli. So this is why in every day's Murli, Baba gives you the daily homework of churning and doing service. So this is your homework of churning the Murli daily. if you churn it,
मनन करते करते मगन हो जाओ
and if you become absorbed in it
ये रोज का
by churning, so then this daily homework, that this daily homework is the means to keep your mind busy.
सुनना और
So listening to it and churning it and becoming absorbed in it. So this is why Bap Dada gives you the daily homework of listening to it and churning it.
इतना ज्यादा दे देती है
Just as in school, children are given so much homework that their intellects remain busy, always busy in that. So in every day's Murli, there is the homework
सारी सब्जेक्ट
of 4 subjects.
मनसा का
There is the homework for your mind,
वाणी का
for your words, for the attention to your deeds, for the attention to your deeds, and also a signal towards divinity. So if you remain busy,
बिजी रहेंगे
if you remain busy with your homework, so you have no margin for waste thoughts to come. You have no margin for waste thoughts to come.
इस विधि को
So if you continue to use this method, waste thoughts will automatically bid you farewell.
विदाई ले जाए
So waste thoughts will bid you farewell. Because Bapdada has seen
याद की यात्रा
that you all pay number-wise attention to the pilgrimage of remembrance. So you pay the attention, but number-wise, you also pay attention to your service through words. However, you now have to transform your own sanskars and those of others also.
परिवर्तन करना ये स्वभाव संस्कार
So this nature and sanskars
जिसको रायल रूप में
which you refer to in a royal way,
कहते हो नेचर
saying that this is your nature, that is not what your intention is, but this is your nature. So that this subject of dharana still now comes up in royal form. It comes in the royal form. So Bap Dada is giving you this signal. So now Bap Dada is giving you this signal that whatever is lacking in dharanas, now pay special attention to that. Now pay special attention to that.
वो तीर्थ बना है तुमसे ओ अब्बा वो वाले वो तीर्थ बना है तुमसे ओ अब्बा वो वाले महक रहा है मधु बने तुमसे।
ओम शांति। अव्यक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है।
Om Shanti.
आज
Welcome everyone to
19
Avyakti Parivar.
बहुत
Today
खुशी है
is
कि
day
आप सभी
19
अभी पीस
and
विलेज
we
में
are
हैं
so
और
happy
अव्यक्ति
that we
परिवार
are
की
in
रिट्रीट
Peace
शुरू हो
Village
रही
and
है।
this is
आज ये
a
पहला
retreat that we are
बुक
starting today
ऑफरिंग के
for
साथ
Avyakti
हमने
Parivar
शुरुआत की
and we
और
opened
सबको
up with
बहुत
this
बहुत
book
अच्छा अनुभव हुआ।
offering and we all
आज
had
हम
very beautiful
आज के
experience
दिन के बाद 2 दिन
and
और
2
retreat
more
रहेंगे
days
और
we
इस
have this
retreat के साथ
retreat so
Zoom से
starting
भी
from
जुड़े
today
रहेंगे
and we'll stay
और आज है
connected
दिन
through
19
Zoom
सदा
as well
हर्षित रहने के लिए
and
अपनी नेचर
today's
को
signal to
सरल
remain
बनाओ
constantly cheerful,
सहनशील बनो।
be easy
आज का
natured
विषय
and
है
tolerant
knowledgeful और सरल
and
स्वभाव।
today's topic is
अव्यक्तिशाली
knowledgeful and easy
सर्वस्वत्यागी
nature.
बच्चों में
So today's
मुख्य
signal is
सरलता और
the children
सहनशीलता
who are
का
full
गुण
renunciates
अवश्य
will
होगा।
definitely have the main virtues of
ऐसे
easiness
बच्चे
and
स्वयं
tolerance.
हर्षित रहते
Such children
और
remain
सर्व को
cheerful and they
आकर्षित
also
करते
attract
हैं। वे
everyone.
एक दो के
They
स्नेही
are
बन जाते
loving
हैं।
to one another.
अगर सरलता
If
नहीं
there
तो
is not
स्नेह भी नहीं हो
easiness,
सकता।
then there can't be love.
जैसे साकार रूप में
You
देखा
saw in the Sakar
जितना ही
form that
knowledgeफुल
to the
उतना ही
extent he
सरल
was
स्वभाव।
knowledgeful, his nature was
बुजुर्ग का
accordingly
बुजुर्ग
easy
बचपन
and
का
simple,
बचपन।
mature with mature ones, and child with children.
जगदम्बा माँ की विशेषताएं।
And now,
मम्मा
Mama's
को
speciality.
स्वमान स्वधर्म में रहने का सदा नशा रहा। स्वधर्म हमारा शांत है, उसमें मम्मा शक्ति अवतार रही। बाबा ने जो कहा मम्मा की बुद्धि ने माना। मम्मा ने कभी नहीं कहा होगा मैंने यह किया, सदा बाबा की तरफ इशारा किया। मैं बेटी हूँ, माता पिता वह है। मम्मा इतनी निरहंकारी थी। अभी हम मोहिनी दीदी जी से सुनेंगे।
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
ठीक से बोलिए, ओम शांति।
Say it loud. Om Shanti.
सदा हर्षित रहने वाले हैं।
Are you always are you always cheerful? Always.
सदा हर्षित रहने वाले हैं।
So you remain constantly cheerful.
हाँ कहेंगे तो बनेंगे भी।
So if you say yes, then you will become like that.
सभी का Peace Village में
So
स्वागत है।
welcome everyone to Peace
आप सभी
Village.
बहुत दूर दूर से आए
So
हैं।
all of you are here from faraway
हमारी कोई
places.
बहन साउथ
So
अफ्रीका से आई है।
one sister
इतना
came from
ट्रैवल किया।
South Africa. So see how much she
सभी का
traveled for
बहुत
this
बहुत स्वागत
retreat.
है।
So welcome everyone.
यहाँ पर अभ्यास करो कि सदा हर्षित रहे।
So now practice this, that just remain
एक दूसरे को
constantly
देखें,
cheerful.
मुस्कुराओ।
Just smile, seeing each other, just
यही तो
smile.
अपना खजाना है ना। तो बाबा फिर कहते हैं सदा
This is your treasure, no?
हर्षित
This
रहने के लिए
happiness
क्या
is
चाहिए?
your treasure. So what Baba
सरल।
says, to
कि
remain
आनंद हो।
constantly cheerful, be easy natured, be
कई दिन से हम
knowledgeful.
सरल शब्द सुन रहे हैं।
So, since many days we are listening to
मुझे
this
याद
word,
है कि
easy
बचपन में एक
natured.
प्रार्थना गाते थे,
So, in our childhood, we used
उसमें
to
इंग्लिश
sing
में कहते थे कि
one
गॉड मुझे
prayer
सरल
that
नेचर
so
दो,
that was the like
इंग्लिश
God
में उसको
give
serene
me
कहते
that serene
और अब जब
nature.
बाबा बार बार सरल
And
कहते हैं,
now Baba says easy nature, easy.
बुद्धि बहुत बुद्धि अच्छी
Because
बुद्धि
the
होना तो
intellect
जरूरी है,
should be very pure, very
लेकिन
clean.
चित्त जो है हमारा
But the memory track,
वो
our
सरलता,
there should be easiness in that.
इधर की
My
सोच
heart
उधर की सोच, ये
should be
सोच
like there should be no waste
संचय
thought,
व्यर्थ
like thinking
संकल्प
about this,
नहीं
thinking
चलते
about that.
समझ विचारे को।
So those who are easy, they don't think
अब
waste.
सोचिए कि जब आप सरल
Think
चित्त हैं,
about it. When you are easy
तो आपके मार्ग
natured,
में जितनी भी रुकावटें
then
हैं
what all obstacles
वो भी
come in your
कल
way.
बाबा ने 2 दिन
So how
सब
Baba
सह
said
हो
in
जाएगा,
yesterday's Murli, like everything will be easy
जितना
for
आप
you.
सोचेंगे क्यों
So the
होगा
more
ऐसा
you
होगा
think about
वो नहीं
something,
होगा,
oh, how it will
सब
happen, what will
ऑब्स्टिकल बन
happen, and
जाएंगे।
all those things, then
तो सरल
there
चित्त
will
से
be obstacles. So
सब
when
सह
you are
जाते हैं,
easy natured, then there will
सरल
be no
चित्त है
obstacles. When you are
तो
easy,
सहन शक्ति ऐसे नहीं कि
then
क्या करूं,
then there
मुझे
will
उसका
be
स्वभाव
tolerance
उसका संस्कार
naturally. It's not like,
मेरे को
oh,
सहन
what
नहीं
should
होता,
I do? They do
आपको इसलिए
this. I
कहना
cannot tolerate their nature and all. No, you will not think about
आपके अपने
that.
संस्कार, आपका अपना
You
स्वभाव
just think about
सरल
your
रहेंगे।
own nature, your own sanskar, that
पर
my
कई ऐसी
sanskars should
आत्माएं
be
होती हैं
easy. I should be
जिनका
easy
स्वभाव है
natured.
सरल,
But some souls are such that their
क्योंकि वो
nature
रियलाइजेशन
is
नहीं है।
not easy because maybe they don't have that
देखो
realization.
आज हम यहाँ बैठे हैं,
See, we
ये
are
हज
sitting
का बाबा
here
का यज्ञ
today,
है,
and this is
पवित्र
Baba's
स्थान है,
yagya, unlimited yagya.
विश्व में
This is a
शांति
pure
फैलाने
place,
के निमित्त,
and we are instrument to spread peace in the whole
तो
world.
अपने कोई ऐसे संस्कार
So then our
जो बाबा के
sanskars,
नियमों अनुसार,
like
मर्यादाओं
those
अनुसार
who are the sanskars which are
उचित नहीं है,
not
वो हमें
appropriate
परिवर्तन
according
तो
to
करना चाहिए।
Baba's Srimad, then we should transform them.
कोई भी ऐसी आदत है,
Any habit that we have, any
बाबा तो
sanskar that
पहले
we
ही
have, which
एक
is
दो बार
not
कह चुके
according
हैं
to
मुरली में,
Srimad, like Baba also says in the Murli,
छोटी सी बात है,
like if there
नहीं
is
तुम्हारी
only a
करनी,
little thing,
जितनी चाहिए मिल सकती है,
so it's not a big
परंतु
thing,
खुद
but
जाके टोली की अलमारी खोल के
so like
टोली
for
एक नहीं उठाना,
instance, if you want a toli you can get as
बहुत ही
many
अच्छा
as you
संस्कार
want,
है,
but if you go yourself and pick up a toli and just
कोई
eat
हर्जा
it
नहीं,
without
टोली तो
asking
मिल
anyone,
जाएगी,
you will get toli regardless.
तो
But
एक
still, if
कहानी
you
है इस
go
पर
get
छोटी
it
सी,
on your own,
एक
then
बहन
this
थी,
is not maryada, this is
कोई
not
8
good.
मेहमान आने
So
वाले
there
थे,
was one sister,
तो उसने
so
8
there were
बर्तन
like
का 8
8
टोली
guests
एक
were
प्लेट में
coming,
तैयार
8.
करके ढक
So she
दिए एक तरफ,
prepared the plate for toli blessing, like
तो
8
पता नहीं
toli,
दूसरी
8
बहन ऐसे
blessing.
ही वहां से
Then the
गुजरी,
other
उसने देखा
sister, she was
एक
just
ढका हुआ
passing
रखा
by
है,
and she
खोला,
saw a plate there,
उनसे
toli
देखिए
plate
थोड़ा
was
सा,
sitting there,
भैया नेचर
covered
देखा,
with
उसने देखा
something. So
थोड़ा
some
सा
have this
मुंह में डालने
nature.
लगे,
Oh, this, she saw, oh, this is very nice, and she just ate one toli.
तो उसने उठा ली, खा ली,
And she just picked up
अब
the
वो
toli
मेहमान
and
आए
ate
तो वो
it.
बहन
And
आई,
then when the guests
तो
came,
देखा एक
then
टोली
that
कम
sister
है,
is like, oh,
तो बोली इसके लिए तो
I
मुश्किल हो गया,
prepared 8 tolis and there are only 7. Then that was like not
इसलिए
good.
आजकल लिखते हैं भाई ये
So this
फल
is
भोग
why
के
we
लिए है,
always mark
इसको नहीं
it
टच
with
करना, आज
some
ये है, ये
like, oh, this is for this is for this, don't touch it, like those kind of
बाबा के घर से क्या नहीं
notes we
मिलता,
make. But this is Baba's home.
कहने का मतलब ये भी संस्कार
Like
होता है,
this is also a sanskar we need to
एकदम
emerge, no?
जाता है और
So
सीधा
don't
मेरा
just do that. We just pick up things and
मतलब
eat
एक
it
नॉर्मल
without
सा संस्कार है
asking. This is
तो
a
बुरा नहीं माना
sanskar. It's
जाता
not
है
very bad thing, but not maryada.
हमारे यहाँ तो आजकल कह देते हैं अरे अरे
Nowadays,
अभी टेस्ट नहीं
people
करना
say,
भोग
oh,
नहीं लगाए
don't taste it
पहले
because we
बाबा
have
को
not
भोग
offered it
लगाएंगे
to Baba. We'll
फिर
offer
सबको
it to
देंगे
Baba first and then we'll
तो
give
ये
it
जो
to
कुछ
everybody. So
संस्कार
don't
बने
even
हुए हैं
taste. So
छोटी मोटी
these
आदतें
are
बनी हुई
just the
हैं
sanskars that we all have.
जो
Little bit
लौकिक
like
रूप
that
से
we need to
परिवार में चलते हैं
transform. Like in Lokik
तो जब हम
families,
यज्ञ में आते हैं
this is
सब
fine.
कुछ
But
बेहद
when we
लग
are
जाता
in
है
yagya, this is unlimited
तुरंत
yagya.
अपने नियम पालन
So
करना
everything, all disciplines, all maryadas, we need
वो
to
बहुत
follow.
जरूरी
This is
भोजन
important.
लेते हैं
When we,
कहते हैं हमारे बांटने वाले बहुत
so
बड़े
when they
दिल के हैं
serve the
तो
food,
बहुत
they
सारा डाल
serve
दिया
with generous
हम खा
heart.
नहीं पा रहे हैं क्या
So
करें
when we are not able to finish it, what to
फेंक
do?
देते हैं
We just throw it away.
भोजन फेंकना
This
ब्रह्म
is
भोजन
food. This is
बाबा के
Brahma
भंडारे का
Bhojan. This is food from Brahma
तो प्रभु
Baba's
और
Bandara.
प्रकृति
So
और
this is
बनाने
like
वाले सभी
the
निराले
one
तत्व
who is cooking and then the nature
बाबा
and
भी
the
कहेगा
food and
बाबा कहता
Baba.
था यज्ञ
So
का
then
एक एक अन्न का
Baba
दाना
used to teach us that every grain in yagya is
एक
very
एक दाना
valuable. Every grain
उसका महत्व है
has
फिर
importance,
5 तत्व
has
हैं जिनके
value,
द्वारा
and then the
अनाज
5
मिलता है फल
elements,
मिलता है वो
how
भी
we are
देखेंगे तो बहुत करते हैं
receiving all
पेड़ की
this from
रिस्पेक्ट
the
भी करेंगे
nature. So we should
फिर
respect
बनाने
all
वाले भी
this,
थोड़ा
no?
देखते हैं
And those who are cooking.
तो हम कहते हैं भाई
So
जब
respect for
डाल रहे हैं ना
everyone. So
उतना
when
ही
you
लो
are
जितना चाहिए
serving, ask
फिर
them
और
how
चाहिए
much they
भूख लगी है तो
want.
आके
If
ले
they
लो
are
बना
hungry, they
दूंगी
will come again. So come for seconds.
दूसरे बदले
That's
में
okay. Come for
वो व्यर्थ नहीं
seconds,
करना
but don't waste,
तो
don't
ऐसे
throw.
छोटी मोटी बहुत
So
सारे
these are small
बाबा ने
things
यज्ञ
that
में नियम
we
बनाए
we
हैं
just pay attention
वो
to.
हमें
These
प्रेम
are the
से
disciplines,
फॉलो
these
करने
are the
चाहिए नहीं तो
maryadas
वो
that we should
संस्कार नहीं है
follow. So otherwise it will
कोई
become
भी
my
वस्तु है
sanskar. So
आपको
something,
अच्छी लगती है बोल लो
if you like it, just
चाहिए
ask
नहीं
for
तो ले
it.
लेगा
Ask, you will get it.
कि ऐसे नहीं कि जब मन
But don't
किया तो
just
खा
go
लिया
and pick it
ऐसे
up
तो
and
नहीं होता
eat
ना
or do or just keep it.
तो
No,
कहने का
this is
भाव ये है
not
कि जो बाबा बोल रहे हैं ना
Maryada.
कि
So what Baba
संस्कार
is
और
saying
नेचर
that
बनी हुई
your
है
sanskar, your nature
वो
that
एक
you have
नॉर्मल आदत बनी
already,
जाती है
like our
जब हम
habits.
बाबा के पास
But
आते हैं
when we
तो वो
come to
रॉयल्टी नहीं है
Baba, so then we should emerge all
ये एक
sanskars of
वेरी पवित्र
royalty. So
प्रेम भरा परिवार है
so this is family with
इसलिए
purity,
हमको
with
अपने
love,
संस्कार
and
बहुत
with
रोशन
our
रखने
sanskars. We should
अब ये
keep
2-3 दिन है
very royal
काफी
sanskars. So
परिवर्तन
these
आना चाहिए
upcoming
हमें
2-3 days in
हमारे
this
स्वभाव में कुछ
retreat,
ऐसा है
let's
हमारे
aim to
संस्कार में कुछ
transform
आदतें
within
ऐसी हैं
so that our habits
उसका
we
हमें
can
परिवर्तन
improve
होना
them, transform
है
them.
तो इसलिए आज बाबा
So
क्या
that is
कह रहे हैं
why what
कि
Baba is saying today,
नॉलेजफुल
that
और सरल स्वभाव
knowledgeful and be easy natured.
बाबा कहते हैं जो
So
सर्वस्व
Baba is
त्यागी
saying the
बच्चों में
children who are full renunciates,
सिर्फ त्यागी नहीं
not only
सर्वस्व
renunciates but
त्यागी बच्चों
full
में बाबा
renunciates,
कहते हैं
will
कि
definitely have, those
मुख्य
children will definitely
सरलता
have the
और
main
सहनशीलता
virtue
का
of
गुण
easiness,
सदा ही होगा
easiness and tolerance. That
तो
will
ले लो
be
अपना नंबर
automatically. So claim
कि
this
गुण सदा
number,
ही होगा
claim
बाबा
this.
कहते हैं ऐसे
I'm
बच्चे
easy, I'm tolerant.
सदा
So such
हर्षित
children remain
रहते हैं
cheerful always. They remain
हमारी दादी
cheerful
प्रकाश मणि
always.
थी
So our Dadi, Dadi
दादी थी
Prakash
बहुत
Mani,
हर्षित रहती थी
she used to remain
क्योंकि
cheerful always.
सरल चित थी
Why? Because she
तो
was
बाबा कहते
easy
हैं
natured.
जो
So
सरल
that's
चित
what Baba is
हर्षित
saying.
होते
Such
हैं
children remain
तो बाबा कहते
cheerful
हैं
and what happened?
एक दो के भी
They
स्नेही बनते
also
रहते हैं
attract everyone. They are loving to one another.
किसी से भी टकराव नहीं मत
So if
रखना
there is not easiness, there
कोई
cannot
ले
be
सकता
love.
है सर्टिफिकेट
So can any one of you claim this certificate?
हाँ करो, हाँ खड़ा करो,
Yes.
मैं भी क्यों
Raise
नहीं
your
करूँ,
hand.
क्यों
Raise your
टकराऊं।
hand if you want to claim this
आज रास्ते पर
certificate
देखो
of being
होंडा भी
easy,
है तो टोयोटा
tolerant.
भी है तो
See, on the
मर्सिडीज भी
way
है,
there is
सब अपनी
Toyota,
अपनी
there is
गाड़ी चला
Honda,
रहे
there
हैं,
is Mercedes. All the cars are on the
टक्कर क्यों
road.
मारेंगे, वो
So,
बचते ही है ना।
so we try to keep
ये
safe
बहुत बड़ा
ourselves, na?
सर्टिफिकेट है,
So this is also a
जिससे आपका
certificate
पद ऊंचा हो जाता है कि
with
इस
which you
आत्मा का
claim
न
high
किससे
status.
विरोध है, न कभी
So we have no
आर्ग्यूमेंट किया है,
conflict
न
within,
कभी
no argument with
कोई एक
anyone.
दूसरे
So
स्नेह बने
easy,
रहते हैं।
easy
तो
natured
बाबा कहते
and
हैं अगर
loving to
सरलता
one
नहीं है
another. So Baba is saying if there
तो
is
प्रेम
not
भी नहीं है।
easiness, then there cannot be love.
तो बाबा कहते हैं कि
So Baba is
जैसे
saying, like you
साकार रूप में
you
देखा,
saw in Sakar
क्या
Baba,
देखा था,
what did you see? What did you see, Sakar Baba?
बाबा ने यहाँ साकार रूप में देखा
Like you saw in
कि
Sakar
जितना ही
form, that
जितना
to
ही
the
knowledgeful
extent
उतना ही सरल
he
स्वभाव,
was knowledgeable,
क्योंकि ईगो
his
बहुत
nature
ईगो
was
इतना सूक्ष्म
accordingly
है,
easy
अहंकार आ
and
जाता है,
simple.
बस वही
So,
बचाओ, मेरे
no
को ये बहुत
ego.
आता है।
Like sometimes we have
ये जो
ego. Oh, I'm
सूक्ष्म
very good
अहंकार है
in
ना,
this. So when
हाँ
we
बाबा
have this
कहते हैं वो
subtle,
नहीं होना
subtle
चाहिए।
ego, that should not be
जितने
there.
ही knowledgeful
So to the
उतना ही
extent he
सरल
was
स्वभाव।
knowledgeable, his
बाबा
nature was
कहते हैं
accordingly
चाहे
easy
कोई
and
बच्चा
simple.
है या बुजुर्ग है,
So mature with mature ones and child with
लेकिन क्या होगा
children.
उसमें, हाँ, बचपन का जैसे एक बालकपन होता है
So
ना,
like a
वो बालक सदा
child,
सरल स्वभाव का होता
so
है।
child means easy,
तो
simple.
ले लो वरदान बाबा से, बाबा
So
कहता है मैं यही
just claim
चाहता हूँ
this blessing from
कि मेरा
Baba.
स्वभाव सरल रहे,
So always my
बुद्धिमान भी हो,
nature is
विवेकशील। मैं
easy.
सबको कहती
I'm
हूँ कि बुद्धि तो
knowledgeable.
सबके पास है,
So I tell
पर
everybody,
विवेक
oh,
नहीं।
you all have intellect, but is
जितना
there a
विवेकशील
wisdom?
बनेंगे,
So the
निर्णय
more
शील होंगे,
wisdom we have, our intellect
सरल
becomes
स्वभाव भी
powerful. The power to
विवेकशील।
decide will
तो अभी
increase.
हम 2-3 मिनट के
So
लिए
let's
बैठेंगे,
sit for a couple of minutes and
अपने
reflect on
स्वभाव
this
संस्कार
and just
जो
reflect on
अनादि
your
है,
own nature, on your
आदि है,
habits, and just emerge your
उस
original,
स्वभाव को लेकर
eternal
के बैठो।
sanskars. Emerge them.
ओम शांति।
बाबा तेरी मीठी मुरली की धुन सुन कर के मन हर्षाए।
अवैतवाणी तारीख है 30 जून 1977। बाप दादा की हर ब्राह्मण आत्मा प्रति श्रेष्ठ कामनाएं। अपनी सर्वश्रेष्ठ अथॉरिटीज को, कौन सी अथॉरिटी? साकारी
Avyak
कर्म
Murli,
इंद्रियां अर्थात
revision
कर्मचारी
from June
और साथ
30th,
साथ
1977.
अपनी
Bapdada's
सूक्ष्म
elevated
शक्तियां
hopes for
वायुमंडलीय
every Brahmin
संस्कार
soul. Have you adopted your most
अर्थात
elevated
कार्य
authority?
कलाओं को
Which authority? The
यथार्थ
authority
रीति
to
से
control
चलाने की
accurately your
अथॉरिटी।
physical organs.
ऐसी
That is,
अथॉरिटी
your
हमें
servers,
है।
as well as the authority to
मास्टर
control your subtle
सर्वशक्तिवान
powers of the mind and intellect.
Master
You are
Almighty
Master,
Authority
Almighty
होकर
Authority.
अपने कर्मेंद्रियों
So,
को चलाते हो
are you able to use
व
your
ब्राह्मण
physical
परिवार
organs
के
as a master with all
सहयोगी
powers and as a master,
कार्यकर्ता
Almighty
अर्थात
Authority?
मददगार
Or do you
आत्माओं
simply use your
व
authority
सर्व
over the
साथियों के
cooperative
ऊपर
members or
ऑथोरिटी
Brahmin
चलाते
family?
हो
That
ब्राह्मण
is, the
आत्माओं के
souls who
संपर्क
help
में
and
स्नेह और
service
सहयोग की
companion
भावना रखनी
in
है
connection with the Brahmin
न कि
souls, you should
ऑथोरिटी
use your
यूज
feelings
करनी
of
है
love and cooperation. Not
और
use the
कर्मेंद्रियों के
authority.
ऊपर
You
सूक्ष्म
have to
शक्तियों
use
के
your
ऊपर
authority
ऑथोरिटी
to
चलानी
rule
है
your physical organs and
उसमें
subtle
कभी भी
powers,
अधीन होना
to be
ये
subservient
मेरे
to
स्वभाव
those subtle
संस्कार
powers and
ऐसे
say
हैं
that your nature or your
ऑलमाइटी
sanskars
ऑथोरिटी
are
के
like
यह
that
बोल नहीं
are not
है
the words of an almighty
अच्छा
authority.
आगे की मुरली कल सुनेंगे
Okay, so rest of the
ओम
Murli we'll
शांति
listen to it tomorrow. Om Shanti.
तेरी मीठी मुरली की धुन सुन कर के मन हर्षाए हो सुन कर के मन हर्षाए
मीठी प्यारी मम्मा ममता मई जगदम्बा
हमारा भी तो कनेक्शन आई एम सन ऑफ सुप्रीम सोल, तो हम भी इसके जायदाद के ऊपर रिलेशन
So
से
here we
अपना
BKs
हक
know
रखते
that
हैं।
I'm
तो रखना है ना, ये
soul,
पावर है,
son of
ये
Baba.
माइट है।
So this right is
अब
the
इसी की
power.
मदद से वो
So we
कंप्लीट
receive the
ताकत लेते हैं,
complete strength
जिससे वो
from
मनुष्य
Baba
ऊंचा
and
बनता है।
become
अब
highest
लोगों के
human being
धारणा
because we
होते हैं,
receive
और
this
हम
power
अपने
from
यहाँ
Baba
मनुष्य
and
में
imbibe
पावर में रहती है,
Baba's
मनुष्य
knowledge.
होकर के पावर में
So
रहती
we
है,
as
जिससे हमको
human
ये पावर आती है,
from
हेल्थ
gains
वेल्थ
such
एवरीथिंग
power that we
प्राप्त हो।
receive health,
तो ये
wealth
माइट
and
लेनी है ना।
everything. So we need
आई
to
एम
take
कहेंगे अब
might
फादर
from Baba.
तो
If I
फादर तो
am
फिर सन नो सन
Baba's,
नो
I
इनहेरिटेंस,
am father
तो
himself,
खत्म
then
हो
no
जाती है
son
ना, नो
means
सन नो
no
इनहेरिटेंस।
inheritance.
आई एम फादर तो नो
I
आई एम
am
दैट आई
that,
एम
I
दैट
am
आई एम
that,
दैट
I am
करेंगे हम,
father,
आई
I
एम
am
फादर
means
नो
no
रिलेशन नो
relationship, no
इनहेरिटेंस,
inheritance.
कट ऑफ हो जाए तो वो योग कटता है, वो योग लगता नहीं है,
So
वो
that is
कटता है,
called
तो वो
have no
कटू है
yoga
और
or
वो
yoga
योग
is
लगाना है,
cut.
से माइट
So we
लेनी
need
है
to
तो
have
मिलेगी।
yoga with
वो
them.
ऐसे
We
पावर आएंगी,
receive
वो
power
ऐसे पावर
from
निकल
Baba.
जाएंगी,
Or
वो
other way
अविप्रोत
yoga
बनेंगी,
is cut, then
क्योंकि
power
आई
is
एम
lost.
है ना, तो कायदा ये
So
सभी
these
सूक्ष्म
deep
बातें, ये
things
सूक्ष्म
can
जो
be
बुद्धि में होंगे
understood
ना
by
तो
those whose
समझेंगे, जो
intellect is
बुद्धि में
subtle
आएंगे,
and
तो
sharp.
वो भी तो हमारे फादर है ना,
So
सुप्रीम
here
सोल।
is my
तभी
father
से
and I
वही ना,
am his
बस
son.
एक
This
रिश्ता
one
फादर एंड सन,
relationship I have
सन सन
where
सब
I
आत्मा है,
need
आई एम
to
सन,
connect with Baba. So
ना
father
फादर,
and son
आई
only,
एम सन,
not
ये जो
daughter.
आत्मा है ना,
No
आई एम
daughter because
सन,
I'm
वो
soul.
अभी
So soul
सन
is
सन ऐसे
son.
नहीं बॉडी के
So
हिसाब से,
it
ना
doesn't
कि तो
mean
आप
which
फीमेल हैं,
body I am
हमारे
in.
गले फीमेल है,
That is
लेकिन
body
आत्मा जो है ना,
consciousness.
आई एम सन, तो
If
सन
I'm
को तो
in
हक मिलेगा,
female costume but
हक
I'm
लेना
a
है,
soul. Soul means
तो
son.
सन को
So
मिलेगा
soul doesn't
प्रॉपर्टी
have
का,
rights.
तो आई
So
एम
we
सन
have
नॉट
to
डॉटर,
take
परंतु
this
हाँ
right.
फिर आते हैं ब्रह्मात्मा में आते हैं
Shri
ना,
Baba
तो फिर
comes in
ब्रह्मा के
body of
द्वारा
Brahma, so he
बैठ कर
become
करके ये
grandfather.
रचना
So
रची
in
है,
this
तो
way,
बेटा
we
का
receive
बेटा से किसे जरूरत
inheritance from
मिलेगी है, तो
grandfather.
ग्रैंड फादर
So
हो
he
गया ना।
became our grandfather.
सौभाग्य जगाए तूने रत्न लुटाए तूने सौभाग्य जगाए तूने ऐसी ज्ञान मुरली सुनाई तूने नैनों के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा नैनों के पलने में जो पालना दी मम्मा और दृष्टि से लोरिया सुनाई तूने
Om Shanti. To remain constantly cheerful, be easy-natured and tolerant, knowledgeful and easy nature.
The children who are fuller renunciates will definitely have the main virtues of easiness and tolerance. Such children remain cheerful, and they also attract everyone. They are loving to one another. If there isn't easiness, there cannot be love. You saw in the Sakar form that to the extent he was knowledgeful, his nature was accordingly easy and simple, mature with mature ones, and a child with children. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti. Welcome to Avyakti Parivar and Avyakti Parivar retreat to everyone, all those who are here in Peaceful Village and all those who are watching on Zoom. So I'm sure everyone is part of us, either physical form or subtle form. So next 2 days we'll be having wonderful Yog Tapasya, early days of Yajna experience in Avyakti Parivar retreat. So today is the first day, and we started with Bhog offering and beautiful Bhog message everyone heard. So now we'll do our series. Today is day 19, to remain constantly cheerful, be easy natured and tolerant. Today's topic, knowledgeful and easy nature. The specialities of Mother Jagdamba. Mama always had the intoxication to stay in her self-respect and in her own dharna. Our original dharna is peace, and Mama stayed an incarnation of power. Whatever Baba said, Mama's intellect accepted it. Mama never ever said, I did this. She always signaled towards Baba. I am the daughter and they are the mother and father. Mama was so egoless. So now we will listen to Mohini Didiji. And also after Didi's sharing, we have something very special. So all those who are watching on Zoom and YouTube would like to request you stay back with us until the end. And also we'll let you know the schedule for tomorrow. So now let's listen to Mohini Didiji.
Om Shanti. Everyone is okay? Yes? I don't think everyone is, right? Everyone is okay. I have a conflicting thought. One is my heart, another is my intellect, right? My heart is saying that recognition and appreciation of those who had been holding this program for how many years? 7? How many? 6? Who knows exact? No. This Avyakti Parivar. How many? 6 years and 6 months. 3 months, okay. So, do you want to all stand, those who are part of? Come. I want them to come in front. You all see it. Bhumika Ben, Rupali Ben, Maitri Ben, Sarah Ben, our Adi Bhai is the hero of Avyakti Parivar, Ram Bhai, all those who do verbal, technical, translation, anything, anytime you have participated in the skits, idhar khade ho jao. Just stand there. Come and stand. Bhumi Ben and Rupali Ben, Maitri Ben and Sarah, they hold basically. And then Narayan Bhai, where is he?
Actually, there are many, Didi. Naran Bhai,
That's
Anand
why I'm
Bhai, Anoli
saying,
Ben,
come.
everyone, Sarita Ben, Mataji, everyone. Neha Ben, come.
These Kanyas, anyone?
Judy Ben is also our incognito one. Come, Judy Ben, please. Please, Judy Ben, come.
Give a big hand to them.
Mataji, आओ. Neha Ben, आओ. Come. All those who own Avyakti Parivar, just come.
There is something Murli in the morning, Avyak Parivar Murli. But this one is just for program.
So this Mataji makes bhog every Avyakti Parivar bhog, she makes it. All the slides are made by Judy Ben. All technical cameras set up by Anoli Ben. Rupali Ben is the mastermind. And these two are angels, right hands. Adi Bhai is the Didi said superhero. And Ram Bhai, Naran Bhai, can you come please? Anand Bhai, come.
Where is Naran Bhai?
Ram Bhai and Naran Bhai, they are world streams people to reach out to the whole world. Anand Bhai is also backbone in all different technical stuffs. And Sarita Ben.
Where is Elena?
Come, Sarita Ben. Elena Ben is behind the camera. Sarita Ben, come. I don't know if I'm missing anyone, but please, if you feel like, so just come. Yeah, there are many translators also. Here is our Sarita Ben. She's also main person with the bhog. And I want to introduce one more person. She is the one who was only with me when we started Zoom. Avyakti Parivar, Anuta Ben, come. When nobody was there, actually. Only she was with me. Come here. When we started initial stage, the first day, only she was with me with technical Zoom and everything. None of them were with me that time. So Didi, myself and Anuta Ben. Then everyone else started coming. So that's one of them. Did I forget anyone? Yes, I don't want to forget Inas Ben. Come. Inas Ben also. Neha Ben, I called you, na? Inas Ben and Neha Ben, they are very much incognito. Because whatever I am able to do, because of them, because some of the, Karma Yogas, they have taken responsibility. So that's why I am able to dedicate my time to Avyakti Parivar. So of course, a lot of credit goes to them. Inas Ben and Anuta Ben. Neha Ben. Neha Ben is the one who takes care of Didi also with me. So she's also very much dedicated. Did I forget anyone? Nobody. Actually, everybody is part of Avyakti Parivar.
If they were not there, what will you all do?
Exactly. So all of you are part of it,
So
right?
congratulations.
Congratulations to everyone. And Didi, of course, and Baba. So nothing can happen without them, right? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Om Shanti.
Now I am at peace. Because I wanted to do that. I said, it's out of program. Should I do or not, right? Anyway,
Didi, you said you had a conflict between your heart and your intellect. What was your intellect saying?
My heart did win.
Good.
There was a time when it was Daddy Janki's, but then COVID began, and a lot of centers where they were isolated, no electricity, and they was difficult. So we thought, Bhumi Ben had done some research on Zoom, and she was kind of bargaining with them. If we have 50, how much? If it's 100, how much? So we had already set up, and we offered to the whole region. We said, so about 160 or so Zoom lines we offered anyone who wants during COVID time, because some were able to afford, some not. We said, just use it and be with us. That's how actually Avyakti Parivar began. And then the parents keep saying, our children are at home, they don't know what to do, can you all start something? And that's where children class began. And those children are now, they were 4 years, 6 years, 8 years. Yeah, that's what Adi was also. What was your age? 9? And he is the one who always then led the children and youth and did many, many programs. You all must have seen, right? Took us to Madhuban, took us all over. It's really, innocence is not that you are naive or you are ignorant. Innocence is kind of wisdom, self-respect. I don't have to get like everyone said, oh, you have a good intellect, right? Wisdom and innocence goes together. There is a story that in Path of Bhakti, they believe Shiva and Shankar are same, right? So they showed that Shankar and Parvati, generally they show them, their home is at Kailash Parvat, mountain of Kailash. Even today they have, somebody just came and said she went to Kailash and came back. So they had 2 boys. One was Ganesh, other was Kartik. So one time they said, 2 of you go around the world and want to see who will win out of 2. So Kartik was very tall and could run very fast. And Ganesh was like sitting, eating laddu. So anyway, he said, no way, I will win. So he just went around Shankar Parvati one time. So by the time Kartik came back, but Ganesh was already there, because Ganesh said, you both are world for me. So he went around parents. So he won. You understood? Yeah. So he was wise, Ganesh is considered very wise. So he did something very, very good too. So wherever we are, just be pure heart, innocent. In Hindi we say not foolish, बेवकूफ नहीं. It's not that if you are innocent then you are stupid or foolish. No, you are wise. That means you know how to contain your qualities, your virtues, and still remain very incognito. So Baba is saying knowledgeful and easy nature. Here they generally translate easy nature. So Baba says that the children Baba says children who are fully renunciate
सर्वस्व त्यागी बच्चे होते हैं,
will definitely have
उनमें
the main virtues
मुख्य
of
सरलता
easiness
और सहनशीलता का
and
गुण
tolerance.
अवश्य होता है,
Because they don't feel that I am tolerating.
तो उनको
Some
ऐसे नहीं
people
लगता कि ओ हम
exaggerate
कुछ
feel
सहन कर
some
रहे
people
हैं, नहीं,
try to tolerate.
उनमें वो गुण होता ही है.
One who is easy nature doesn't
तो
feel
जिसका
any
सहज स्वभाव है,
tolerance
सरल
towards. So
स्वभाव
such
है,
children
तो ऐसे बच्चे, ऐसे बच्चे
remain cheerful and easy
वो स्वयं हर्षित
and
रहते हैं,
also
वो
attract
स्वयं हर्षित भी
everyone.
रहते हैं और सबको आकर्षित भी करते हैं.
So Baba say they are
तो बाबा कह रहे हैं कि वो ऐसे बच्चे,
they are loving to one another.
वो एक दो के स्नेही बन
There
जाते
is
हैं.
easiness.
तो अगर सरलता नहीं
Baba
होती,
say there is easiness and then sometimes like if there is not enough
तो
of
कभी
that,
कभी होता है ना कि
then they cannot
अगर आप
be loved.
इतने सरल
So Baba
नहीं
says
है तो
you
स्नेह भी नहीं हो सकता.
so in the sakar form,
तो बाबा
what
कह
we
रहे
saw in the
हैं
sakar form
कि
is
साकार
the
रूप में
extent
हम क्या देखते हैं कि जितने
that he was knowledgeful.
सरल उतने स्नेही.
Baba says, and then
तो जैसे साकार में देखा
has
कि जितना ही नॉलेजफुल उतना ही सरल.
easy nature was accordingly Baba says easy and
तो बाबा
simple.
कह रहे हैं
He
तो
was
उतना ही
knowledgeful,
सरल,
but
उतना
then he
ही,
was
जितना
also
नॉलेजफुल उतना
easy
ही सरल.
and simple. So Baba says that
तो बाबा कह रहे हैं कि
you can be mature and with
बुजुर्ग
maturity
के
Baba
साथ
says
बुजुर्ग,
you can also be like a
बुजुर्ग के
child.
साथ बुजुर्ग और बचपन का बचपन.
Brahma Baba,
तो
even
ब्रह्मा
in
बाबा,
age he was mature.
तो चाहे वो
I met him
शरीर
when he
की
was
आयु के
83.
साथ बड़े थे. जब मैं उनसे मिली तो
And
वो
I
83
was
साल के थे, दीदी कह रहे
16
हैं,
I think or 17.
और मैं 16
And he
साल
kept
की थी.
talking with me for
और
20
बाबा
minutes.
मुझसे ऐसे बात करते रहे 20 मिनट तक.
So he was mature.
तो
But
वो
also
बहुत
like
जैसे
there was no
बुजुर्ग थे तो
generation gap.
बुजुर्गों के साथ बुजुर्ग की तरह बात करते थे.
Otherwise, our words, our understanding,
नहीं तो हमारे जो
you might
शब्द होते
understand.
हैं,
I tell everyone you are half of my age.
तो मैं कईयों को बताती हूँ आप
But
तो
Baba
मेरी
didn't
आधी
tell
उम्र
that.
के. तो बाबा ने कभी ऐसे नहीं बताया.
So this is learning. Every moment of
तो
life is
हर
learning.
जीवन का हर एक क्षण जैसे कुछ सीखने के लिए है.
That's most interesting. After becoming Baba's children,
तो जब हम बाबा के
that we
बच्चे
also
बनते हैं
students
तो हम
and
जैसे
become
बाबा
one.
के शिष्य भी बनते हैं, बाबा से पढ़ते भी हैं, सीखते भी हैं, समझते भी हैं. ओम शांति.
When they started.
तो
Look at this
हमारे
picture.
बच्चों के बारे में दीदी कह रहे थे, तो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि जब उन्होंने शुरू किया तो कितने छोटे थे.
So this was like these little ones were 4 years old. So now they are 10
तो जो
years
4
old.
साल के
Those
थे
two little
अभी
ones.
10-10
And
साल के
Adi,
हैं.
Adi was 5 years old, right? 10 years. So, yeah, 9 years old. So you can see how little they were.
तो देखो कितने छोटे छोटे थे.
Okay, so thank you,
We
Didi.
also have to introduce the painting at the back of our
All right.
background. They keep
Yeah.
changing. Monica is here.
Monica Ben, where are you? So
Artist.
as I said, there are so many incognito ones. I don't know.
तो
Come,
देखो
come.
मोनिका बहन
So
को भी
every time
बुलाते
you
हैं.
see Didi,
तो
and
जब
you
भी आप
see
दीदी
Shiv
को
Baba
देखते हैं
behind
और
Didi.
पीछे दीदी
So we
के
have
पीछे शिव
one
बाबा की आप
co-sister
पिक्चर
here.
देखते हैं तो
She
हमारे
paints
पास एक बहन
all
है
those
तो
Shiv
वो
Baba.
सारे शिव बाबा के पिक्चर
There is
उस
art
बहन ने
gallery
बनाए.
which you all can see.
तो आर्ट गैलरी भी है जिससे आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं. तो
She
आप आओ
asked to
देखो.
display many places her paintings.
तो उन्होंने कई पेंटिंग्स बनाई हैं और हर जगह उनकी पेंटिंग्स.
Shanti.
शुक्रिया. वेरी नाइस.
Om Shanti.
ओम शांति. स्वागत है आप
Welcome.
सबका.
And
बहुत
welcome.
स्वागत है.
Special welcome to Avyakti
सबको
Parivar Retreat 2026.
अव्यक्ति
How is
परिवार
everyone?
रिट्रीट में आप
Can you
सबका
indicate in some
स्वागत
way
है.
that you're
कैसे
okay?
हैं
Oh,
आप
that's so
सब?
beautiful
ठीक
when
है.
you do
और
things like
बहुत
that.
जब आप ऐसे करते हैं तो कितना अच्छा लगता है ना. तो
It's such, I remember coming in
तो
and
मुझे याद है
seeing
जब
whether
हम आए
you're
थे और आप
distant or in
सब.
the room, wherever you are, everyone is so close.
तो जब मैं
to
देख रही
Baba's
थी आप
heart.
सबको तो ऐसे लग रहा
And I
था आप
really started
सब
to
बाबा
feel
के
that
दिल के
Baba's
बहुत
heart
पास हैं और
is
बाबा के
behind Didi's chair.
बाबा का दिल दीदी के चेयर के
It's
पीछे है.
absolutely stunning.
कितना सुंदर लग
So I
रहा
just
है
want to,
वो.
because I walked in
और
and the
जब मैं
decorations
अंदर आई और
were
जब मैंने
so
डेकोरेशन
uplifting.
देखा
I
तो
really just
इतनी
wanted to film
सुंदर
it. There's so
डेकोरेशन
many
हुई
fingers
थी.
involved in this, but
और
can
मुझे पता
anyone
है
have
इसमें
anything, any
बहुत
soul,
सारी
anything to do with the
चीजें
decorations of
सबने
this
करी
hall?
हैं.
Please stand
तो
up.
कितनी सुंदर
Because the
डेकोरेशन
amount,
किसने
I know
करी है
someone
ये.
did this. Someone
तो
should be
किसी ने तो
standing.
करी है ना. तो कोई तो खड़े
Anyone who
होंगे.
did anything to do with this hall, please stand
तो
up.
किसने ये
I said,
डेकोरेशन
well,
की
that's
है.
fine. I'm okay. I know
अगर
it's
आप खड़े हो
someone, but
सकते हैं
no
और
one.
दिखा
Yes,
सकते हैं.
Annabelle, please, definitely.
एनाबेली
Who
बहन.
else was involved? I know there were many hands.
तो मैं समझती
Annabelle
हूँ
is
और
pretty
भी
amazing,
बहुत.
but she could not do this all herself.
एनाबेली बहन ने अकेले तो नहीं
Yeah,
किया
please
होगा ना.
stand
तो
up.
बहुत सारे
Come
उनको मदद
forward.
मिली होगी.
I
किस
think we
किस
have
ने
to
उनको
appreciate
मदद
your
की.
souls because,
तो
yeah, even
मुझे
this one,
लगता है कि
because the love and care and time they put into this was
तो
incredible.
जितना
So,
प्यार इसमें डाला है पूरी
absolutely, I wish
डेकोरेशन में.
someone would stand up. Why do people not want to stand up?
तो आप लोग
Come,
क्यों नहीं
come,
खड़े
all
हो
of
रहे
you,
हैं.
all of
क्योंकि
you,
आप सब ने
stand. I
इतना
know, I
मदद
saw
किया
you.
ना. आप खड़े हो
Don't be
जाओ.
shy.
खड़े हो
It's
जाओ.
really
Kanyas,
fun up
stand
here.
up. All Kanyas.
सो दिन
Stand up.
इन सब
They
बच्चों
all
ने
come.
कर.
And also brothers.
Absolutely, everyone, please, who is involved. How many find the decorations amazing? Amazing.
किस किस को लग
So
रहा है
for
कि
those
डेकोरेशन
online, I
बहुत
hope that you
सुंदर
can
है.
see them. I know you may have thought, wow, I always wondered what it was like to be in the subtle region. Oh, look, I'm in the subtle region. That stunning. Hopefully you can see. Absolutely beautiful. So thank you. Big round of applause to these souls. They spent forever in here, so thank you. So our theme is early days of Yagya Tapasya, and I know for many of us,
तो हमारा
it's
जो
been so
थीम
much on
है
our
इस
minds as
रिट्रीट
it
का
was in the
कि
beginning,
हमारे
so we'll play in
कैसे
that theme.
जब
Early
अर्ली डेज
days
कैसे
of
थे
Yagya
यज्ञ के
Tapasya. And
तपस्या
when
के.
I
और
came
जब
as
मैं
a,
आई
in
थी
my beginning of my Brahmin life,
मेरे
there
ब्राह्मण
was
जीवन
something
के
I
शुरुआत
heard
में
about
तो
Brahma
मैंने
Baba
ब्रह्मा बाबा के बारे में जो सुना
for me.
था मेरे लिए.
Why is this going sideways? 33.
Oh,
Yeah. When I first came, I heard the saying,
तो तो मैंने
that
सुना
Brahma
था कि
Baba was the image of
ब्रह्मा
tapasya
बाबा
as he walked
तपस्या के
and moved
मूर्त थे
around.
और जब
Did
भी
anyone
उनको
else
कोई
hear
देखते
this?
थे चलते
It
फिरते
stayed with
तपस्वी
me
मूर्त
a
दिखते
lot.
थे
Like
वो।
it really
तो
inspired my
उससे
Brahmin life.
मुझे मेरे
That
ब्राह्मण
Brahma
जीवन
Baba was
में
the
बहुत
image of
प्रेरणा मिली
tapasya as he walked and
कि
moved
ब्रह्मा बाबा
around.
तपस्वी मूर्त
And
थे।
that really is the invitation for all of us
तो
in
ये हम
creating
सब
this.
के लिए
This
भी
isn't just
एक जैसे एक
speeches, but
निमंत्रण
as I
है कि
walk
हम भी
and
ये
move
सब करें। तो
around.
जैसे हम
And
सब
when we
चलते
had
फिरते
the
हों,
interview
तो
yesterday
और जब हम
about
कल
easy
एक
and
इंटरव्यू ले
natural
रहे
yogi,
थे
there
कि
was a question I
सहज
wanted to
योगी
ask. We
कैसे
didn't
हो,
get
तो
to it, but
मैं
how
एक
can we
प्रश्न
help
पूछना
each
चाहती थी
other
कि हम एक दो
to
को
be
कैसे
natural
मदद
easy
करें
yogis, not to be
सहज
selfish?
योगी
How do we
बनने
help
के लिए।
each other?
तो
And so
सिर्फ
we're
अपने लिए नहीं,
inviting
लेकिन
all
हम
of
दूसरों
you
को
to be
कैसे मदद
very
करें, एक दो को
much
कैसे मदद
involved
करें।
and contributing
तो कैसे
to the
हम
creation of this yagya,
इस
this
यज्ञ
retreat.
की
Is that
रचना
okay?
में मदद करें।
You
और
promise?
आप सब
You won't be
मानते हैं
passive,
इस बात
right?
को?
Can I just see? You can get involved right now. Give me a
तो
a
आप
look.
हाथ उठा
All
के
right.
बता सकते हैं
So
कि
we're going to
चलते
start
फिरते
right
हम ऐसे
now. We're going to
तपस्वी
get you
मूर्त की
active right
तरह
now. In the
अनुभव
Bhog
करें।
message, and
तो
for
भोग
those
मैसेज
online,
में
please
जैसे
join
हमने
us. We'll
अभी
need a
अनुभव
piece of
किया,
paper for this.
तो
And maybe our
एक
angels
पीस
can
ऑफ
get
पेपर
2
हमको
more
चाहिए होगा।
flowers. 2
तो
more flowers. But in the Bhog message, it talked about
भोग
a
मैसेज में
shower of flowers,
कहा था
which I
कि
found pretty incredible
तो
because
आपने
everyone
कहा कि
got a flower.
दादियाँ
Did anyone
हमको
not get a flower?
फूल
Did
बरसा
anyone?
रहे
Good for
हैं, तो आप
you.
सब पे
And
फूल
we're getting one for those online. If you did not
फूल
get a flower,
मिले
I
ना
see
हम
1 hand.
सबको।
Did anyone?
तो
3 hands. 4. It's like a, what happened to you people? Did you come through the side door?
तो आप सबको क्यों नहीं मिले फूल, क्योंकि
We need
ये
a
तो सभी
lot
को
of
दिए ना।
flowers. That's okay. You kind of floated in. All good. So we had a shower of flowers. I'm going to
तो हम
ask
पे
you
दादी ने
to
जैसे
take out
फूल
your
बरसाए,
flower.
तो मैं आपको कहूंगी कि
All
आप
right,
अपना
very
फूल
good.
बाहर हाथ
So
में
in
पकड़
this
लें।
moment, and of
और
course,
इस
if
क्षण
you
में
looked at your flower, which I'm
अगर
sure
आप
you
अपने
all
फूल की
did,
तरफ
you would have seen
देखें,
a swaman is coming.
तो आप
A
देखेंगे कि
swaman.
इस फूल में एक सोमान
I
लिखा
want
हुआ
you to
है।
take a moment now to
और
kind
मैं
of go
चाहूंगी
inside,
कि आप इस क्षण में
introvert, go
अंतर्मुखी
in
होकर,
front of Bapdada's drishti.
जैसे बाबा
Take
की
a moment,
दृष्टि
it's
मिल
just
रही है,
you
एक क्षण
and Baba.
रुकें और आप और
Baba's
बाबा,
drishti.
बाबा आपको दृष्टि दे रहे हैं।
And this conversation in silence
और अंदर
through the
में
eyes
ये जो साइलेंस
between
की
you
भाषा
and Baba.
है
He's
आपकी
looking at you
और बाबा की,
as this
बाबा आपको
beautiful
देख रहे
flower.
हैं, अपने एक सुंदर फूल के रूप में बाबा देख रहे हैं।
And for those online, you are
और
conquerors of Maya.
ऑनलाइन वालों के लिए ये फूल है कि
So
आप
you
सब
and
माया
Baba
पर विजयी
silence
हैं।
together. What do I with Baba
तो क्या मैं
want to achieve in
बाबा
this
के
retreat?
साथ इस रिट्रीट में मैं क्या
What is my
लक्ष्य रख
objective
कर आई
for
हूँ,
myself
मेरे को
in this
स्वयं में
retreat?
क्या परिवर्तन
I'm
करना
feeling that
है।
as well through
तो
Baba's vision on you.
बाबा की दृष्टि द्वारा अनुभव
Baba has a
करें
very, very
डेकोरेशन।
elevated vision on
तो
each
बाबा
of
की
us.
कितना श्रेष्ठ आपके लिए दृष्टि है। आप देखें
What
बाबा
is he saying
कितनी
through that drishti?
शक्तिशाली दृष्टि से
Child,
आपको
this
देख रहे
is
हैं।
what
बाबा
you can
क्या कह
do.
रहे हैं आपको दृष्टि
How would I
द्वारा।
like to benefit myself
तो मैं अपना
and also
कैसे
contribute to
क्या
this yagya,
कल्याण कर सकती
this
हूँ,
retreat?
क्या लक्ष्य रखूँ इस रिट्रीट के लिए कि मैं अपना परिवर्तन
Once
करूँ।
that's clear
तो देखें
in
बाबा
the
अपनी
mind,
दृष्टि द्वारा
in a
आपको
word
क्या
or
इशारा दे
two,
रहे हैं,
you can
कौन
write
सा
that
शब्द
on
आपकी
the
बुद्धि
leaf
में आता है, तो
of your
आप वो इस
flower.
पत्ते पर लिख सकते हैं
Once
जो इस
that's clear,
फूल
just think not
में
of
नीचे
Ramayana,
पत्ता लगा
just
हुआ
a
है ना,
word
तो
or
उसके
two
लिए
on
आप
the
उस पे
leaf
आप लिख
of your
सकते हैं
flower.
कि क्या स्वमान आप लेना चाहते हैं। तो जो भी आपको शब्द आया बुद्धि में, वो उस पर लिख सकते हैं, अपने लिए स्वमान ले सकते हैं।
And those online,
और जो लोग ऑनलाइन हैं, हम आप सबको भी निमंत्रण देते हैं कि आप भी ये करो। तो कुछ न कुछ एक जर्नल, एक पेज पर रखें, तो आप अपना अनुभव सबसे शेयर कर सकते हैं।
So we invite you to keep this with you, this
तो हम
declaration with you,
आपको
so you can constantly revise for yourself where you and Baba are going together. Your name tag also is quite special because, of course, it has your physical name, but also you may have noticed it has a Yagya name. And these were absolutely beautiful, these Yagya names. Oh, really? Why is this all about Judy? BK Ratan Chandra, jewel as beautiful as the moon. Why don't you turn to the soul beside you and introduce yourself through your Yagya name? They're stunning. Yours already is beautiful, Mohini Didi. Introduce yourself with your Yagna name. If you want to share your objective, turn to the soul beside you and share.
To focus on inner world rather than the outer world. My name is BK Thairir Mohini.
Om Shanti. So let's see if we can help each other through our own efforts, our own focus. And to that end, so you know online as well, tomorrow is going to be a bit of a silence day. And I know when we hear silence, we get twitchy or something happens. I saw a very interesting reaction over there. So let's clarify. Silence, you can interact, as you need to. You can also use the language of angels, but the main thing is I'm paying attention to myself as I walk and move around. I am the image of Tapasya as I walk and move around. So that's the main focus of the day. I get so much out of being able to be in an environment where I'm with other souls who have agreed. Let's see if we can focus more on ourselves even as we interact in the gathering. Is that okay? Because we kind of need your consent for this to work. Is it okay? Online? Is it okay? I see half a hand online. Just okay, it's okay? You can wave, it's all right. Yes, fantastic. All right. The other thing we want to mention, and online, you're welcome to do this as well. If you can be at sessions on time, do you have something else you need to do this weekend? No. So should there be a problem being to sessions on time? Okay. If you do get to sessions on time, which we'd like you to, you will get stars added to your name tag. Just if that's any kind of attraction to you. So you could have a very beautiful name tag at the end of this retreat. So please, we want you to take, I loved in the message, use everything in a worthwhile way. These are just a few days. Use it in a worthwhile way. You made so much effort to get here. Use it in a worthwhile way. Dee is here with us. Use it in a worthwhile way. It's okay? All right. I can't recall. Are we doing movement now? Or is that after? Is it now? It's now? Okay. All right. We are going to do some very angelic, subtle movement. Is that okay? Yogi movement, Brahmin movement. So that means you get to stand up.